So there is quite a lot that can go kind of wacky with step 15. So we're going to go step by step and make sure we get this right. So we're going to come over to our Part Studio, and here under the plane menu, I don't want a plane, but here under the plane menu, we'll find the helix tool. And so we want a different thing than turns here. We want the height and the turns, because we want to define how deep it cuts, or how far down this cuts, as well as the spin that it's going to have. So a helix is kind of like a DNA strand, where it's got that kind of like a twisted ladder kind of pattern, and that's what's going to make our propeller fly off the top of this as we get this thing actually printed, which is going to be super fun. So the circular edge we want is this ring of this circle here at the top. And you can see we've got kind of a spiral going up now. Okay. The next thing for us is we want to make sure it goes counterclockwise. We want a height of, I think it's 12 millimeters. Yep. And we want not so tight of a spin. We want a revolution of 0.25. And so we can hit the check mark there and see that we've got this thing flying up in the air there. We don't want that. What we need it to be is a line coming down our spinner. So we're going to change this to say opposite direction right here. That'll bring it down onto the spinner. And now we've got a helix that we're eventually going to replicate to make cuts out of the top part as well.